Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. English Bal Bharti Standard 6. Students, in this video we will be covering remaining part of the lesson 4.4 A Mad Tea Party. Perhaps not, Alice cautiously replied, but I know I have to beat time when I learn music. Ah, that accounts for it, said the Hatter. He won't stand beating. Now, if you only kept on good terms with him, he had to almost anything you liked with the clock. For instance, suppose it were 9 o'clock in the morning, just time to begin lessons. You had only have to whisper a hint to time, and round goes the clock in twinkling. 1:30, time for dinner. I only wish it was, the March Hare said to itself in a whisper. That would be grand, certainly, said Alice thoughtfully. But then I shouldn't be hungry for it, you know. Not at first, perhaps, said the Hatter, but you could keep it to 1:30 as long as you liked. A bright idea came into Alice's head. Is that the reason so many tea things are put out here? She asked. Yes, that's it, said the Hatter with a sigh. It's always tea time, and we have no time to wash the things between whiles. Then you keep moving round, I suppose, said Alice. Exactly so, said the Hatter, as the things get used up. But what happens when you come to beginning again? Alice ventured to ask. Here the Hatter, Hare, Dormouse, and Alice fell to have a free flowing conversation because of the lack of any particular idea. They seemed to confused and lost somehow. Their conversation shift to the topic of sentences which sound similar but convey a different meaning entirely. They begin to discuss time and treating it well, as Alice makes a comment on it. Suppose we change the subject, the March Hare interrupted, yawning. I am getting tired of this. I would the young lady tell us a story. I'm afraid I don't know one, said Alice, rather alarmed at the proposal. Then the Dormouse shall, they both cried. Wake up, Dormouse! And they pinched it on both sides at once. The Dormouse slowly opened his eyes. I was not asleep, he said in a hoarse, feeble voice. I heard every word you fellows were saying. Thus the March Hare and the Hatter decide to take advantage of time and ask Alice to tell a story. Alice says that she doesn't know any, so they ask the Dormouse to do so, who continues to act as if he is fast asleep. The lesson does not end on a complete note, as it is a borrowed part of a novel. We only come across few characters that are a part of the whole novel in the chapter A Mad Tea Party.